Welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare a healthy salad. Take a bowl, add finely chopped onions. Add chopped cucumber. Add chopped carrots. Add chopped beetroot. Then add tomatoes. Now add 1 cup of boiled yellow peas. Add roasted peanuts. Peanuts are one of the richest sources of plant protein and vitamin B3. Now add 1 tablespoon of Indian gooseberry, which is the richest source of vitamin C. Add salt according to your taste. Squeeze half lemon. It gives a good taste to the salad. Now mix all the ingredients properly. Serve it fresh. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe.